Hello, my name is Radul Faiz and today I'm going to talk about robotics and their application in real life. So the main topics in my presentation: definition of robotics, second one, types of robotics, the third one, potential application and advantages and disadvantages for robotics, and the last one, using artificial intelligence with robotics. So let's start with the definition of robotics. Robotics is a sector of science and engineering dedicated to the design, construction, and use of mechanical robots. So the definition of robots, which is something different about robotics, and according to the Robot Institute of America, robot is a reprogrammable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move materials, parts, tools, or specialized devices through various programmed motions for the performance of a variety of tasks. So, and now I'm going to talk about types of robotics. So, mechanical robots come in all shapes and sizes to efficiently carry out the task of which they are designed. Generally, there are five types of robots: pre-programmed robots, humanoid robots, autonomous robots, teleported robots, augmenting robots. These are the five types of robots, as you can see. And the last one. Okay. I think it's much better now. So, pre-programmed robots. Pre-programmed robots operate in a controlled environment where they do simply monotonous tasks. An example of pre-programmed robots would be a mechanical arm on an automotive assembly line. The arm serves one function: to weld a door on, to insert a certain part into an engine, etc., and its job to perform that task longer, faster, and more efficiently than a human. Humanoid robots. These robots usually perform human-like activities like running, jumping, and carrying objects, and are sometimes designed to talk like us, even having human faces and expressions. Autonomous robots operate independently of human operators. These robots are usually designed to carry out tasks in open environments that do not require human supervision. An example of an autonomous robot would be the Roomba vacuum cleaner, which uses sensor to roam throughout a home freely. And teleported robots. Teleported robots are mechanical bots controlled by humans. These robots usually work in extreme geographical conditions, weather, etc. Example of teleported robots are the human-controlled submarines used to fix underwater pipe like leaks during the BP oil spill, or drones used to detect landmines on battlefield. Augmenting robots. Augmenting robots either enhance current human capabilities or replace the capabilities a human may have lost. Some examples of augmented robots are robotic uh, prosthetic limbs or used to lift hefty weights. Potential application. There are several potential applications of robotics, such as helping fight forest fires, landmine detectors in war zones, used during search and rescue mission after natural disasters. So, I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages for robotics. There are many advantages for the robots in our life, such as speed. Robots don't get distracted or need to take a break. Well, the human, after a while in the work, you, he will get tired and he will need a break, and he will he usually or generally he need to have a rest or take a break. But the robots don't get tired. So the second one, safety. As we know, there is some works that may harm the human. On the other hand, robots can do these works rather than a human. So the robot, sorry, will not get harmed like the human. On the other hand, there are much more disadvantages for robots in our life, and this is my opinion. So I think there are more disadvantages for robots in our life. Robots don't think independently, and robots don't learn from mistakes. So I'm going to talk about these two topics. Robots usually take information and process this information and do the mission without thinking, without you. Generally, they don't have a mind like a human. A human, he learn from mistakes. He can do something creative. He can do anything with his thinking. But the robots don't. They don't have a mind like a human. They don't think creative. They don't think independently. And the last one, robots bring risk for people jobs. So many people will lose their jobs, or these days, many people lose their jobs because of the robots, and spend extra money in repairing them. As we all know, repair a simple part in the robot, it's gonna be so expensive. And the last topic, using artificial intelligence with robotics. Artificial intelligence and robotics are powerful combination for automating tasks inside and outside of the factory setting. In today's global manufacturing sector, there are few main ways in which artificial intelligence is deployed. There are 4 robotics applications that use AI, which is artificial intelligence. Assembly. AI is highly useful tool in robotics assembly application. Packaging, the second one, robotics uses forms of AI frequently for quicker, lower cost, and more accurate packaging. Customer service, the third one, most of these robots leverage AI, natural language processing abilities to interact with customer in a human way. And the last one, open source robotics. A handful of robotic systems are now being sold as open system with AI capability. So I'm gonna leave you to watch the video, and it's about the robotics and artificial intelligence in the operating room. And these are the references. Thank you again. I'm Rad Al Faiz, and thank you.